Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to tell you how to create a single post template using Elementor Pro. So let me show you my website. So here you can see this is my website. Let me go to the blog. From here, let me click on any one of the blog. So for example, this one. So here you can see now we have this design on our single post template. So how can I change this design? So how can we do this? So let me go to my dashboard. Then I will click on templates. Then I will click on add new. So I will just now open it in a new template. And from here, I will click on add new template. Then here, I will just choose here single post. Then here, I will write my template name. So I will give it a name single post template, and then I will click on create template. So now I will show you how can I create a single post template. So let me go to, so here I will just click on exit, and then I will click on plus icon, then flex box, then I will choose the first container. Here you can see, and then I will click on here the container layout. I will click on content width. I will make it full width, and then I will click on air 6 dots, and then I will go to style tab, and here I will click on background type, and here I will just click on here dynamic tags, and here I will choose featured image. So now you can see this image is appearing. Then I will make the position center. Let me make it top center, and then repeat I will make it no repeat, and then display size I will make it cover. And now I will just go to layout again, and here I will give it a minimum height of, let me make it 400. So here you can see we have 400 height, and then I will go to my widget sections here again, and here I will just drag and drop the post title. So here you can see we have the post title, and let me go to the style tab here, and let me make it center, and then I will click on 6 dots here, and I will click on justify content center and align item center here as well. Let me make this one, let me make the typography here, so let me make it 70. So here you can see, and now let me make the color. So let me make the color white, or let me make it something like, let me check this one here. So let me make it white for now. Yeah, here you can see we have the white color here now. And now I will click on here plus icon again. Here it is. Then I will choose flex box. So make sure here you choose the post title. So here it is. Then I will click on flex box. Then I will insert here. Let me click on this one here, the column here. Then here I will just go back to my widget section here. Then I will write post content. So here you can see we have the post content. Let me drag and drop it here. So now you can see we have the post content here. So it's an error, I think. So let me just leave this one for now here, and let me click on here, and let me go. Okay, just leave the alignment as it is and go to advanced. Let me give it a margin 10 from top and 10 from bottom. Let me click on here publish, then here choose add condition, and then you can see all singular, and then I will click on save and close. Now let me go back here again, and let me refresh this page. So now here you can see that's how it is appearing our post. So here you can see street shopping tips. So for example, if you want to add a sidebar here, so what you can do, Let me click on delete this one, and let me click delete this one. Let me click on plus icon again, flex box. Then I will choose these two, and here I will make, let me make this one here, let me make it 70 the width, and this one let me make it 30. So here in this section I will insert my post content. So let me drag and drop the post content here. And here in this section, if you want to add a feature section or anything, so for example, if you want to add a table of contents, so we can just drag and drop the table of contents here, so you can see the table of contents. And for example, if you want to add a category, so or anything that you want to add here, for example, call to action button or posts. So for example, if you want to add posts here, so here you can see, let me make it 1. Here you can see, and let me make the title excerpt. So here you can see read more. So here you can see if you want to add a category, so you can add categories here as well. Let me click on publish. Let me go back again here. Let me refresh this page. So here you can see in this section, we have table of contents, we have the images, we have this post. So if you want to click on this post, here you can see we have the table of contents again, and this and this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so kindly don't forget to kindly ask in the comment section, and kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.